me a better man. Oh, my love, my special one. Every morning when I wake, I thank the heavens above for sending me an angel to teach my heart to love. The way you laugh so gently, the way you understand, you turn my fragile world around without a single plan. Your smile can save my day. Oh, when darkness comes my way, your voice can heal a wound. Oh, in a way no words can ever explain. When life is heavy, you make it light. When I am broken, you make it right. Your heart is my shelter, your love is my song. Beside you is exactly where I belong. You make ordinary moments feel like heaven in my hands. Oh, and I swear when you hold me close, I become a better man. Oh, you lift me higher than I've ever been. You fill the empty spaces deep within. Oh, my special person, you're my forever plan. And every day beside you, I become a better man. Like rivers meet the ocean, our souls have become one. You are my peaceful evening, my warm and rising sun. No treasure in this world can never take your place. I see my future shining every time I see your face. Your kindness gives me courage, your patience calms my fears. You turn my silent struggles into songs throughout the years. If tomorrow never comes, I'll still be grateful now for every little blessing and every sacred vow. Your touch brings me comfort, your love gives me new life. Together we can conquer every storm and every night. You make ordinary moments feel like heaven in my hands. Oh, and I swear when you hold me close, I become a better man. Oh, your smile can save my day. Oh, your voice can heal my pain. Oh, every beat inside my heart, oh, will forever sing your name. My special person, my heaven's gift to me. Oh, walking side by side together for all eternity. Emi sabe give him life long me. Time you talk, Emi sabe make him bell belong me stop to see. Maski one em heavy Emi come up. Me to pella by walk about one time. You know that's all pray belong me. You know that's all life belong me. Stop all sem, blessing belong life, belong me. Me liking you true to us. Oh.